Okay, we're looking at another example, and I've got Excel up here and I have my TI. This time we're going to be asked to calculate population standard deviation. So what I probably need to do is, says last month 5 customers of McLeod Automotive bought the extended service plan with a purchase of a new car. All their credit scores are given below. Calculate the standard deviation of this population data. I'll probably go back in here and cap that. Now the mean for a sample and the mean for a population, they have different symbols. For population it's mu, and for sample it's x bar, but it's calculated the same way. You add them all up and divide by your total number. It is different for standard deviation. For standard deviation of a population, the formula is just a little bit different, and the population standard deviation is denoted by sigma. The sample standard deviation is denoted by S. So I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm not sure what this show detailed solution is. I'll probably take that out. So remember that StatDisk Online will not calculate population standard deviation. So I'm going to go ahead and enter these numbers in here. 9.8, 731.9, 781.5, 777.5, 771. Okay. We'll do both mean and standard deviation. So equal mean, even though it's not asking for it. Or not equal mean, I'm sorry, equals, for mean it's average, equal average. Sorry about that. Okay. And we should put mean here. Okay, so this is going to be equal STD. We want this one. Notice that it says calculate the standard. I had to move my timer out of the way. Calculates the standard deviation based on the entire population. Okay, so we're doing that one. STDEVP. Enter. Well, try this again. And then you can highlight your range here. Okay, so my standard deviation is 28.42172. So we want 2 decimal places, that'll be 28.42. Let's see what the TI does for us. Okay, go to stat. Well, let's turn it on first. Stat, edit. If you got something in L1 data in here, all you have to do is go up here to L1 and hit clear. That clears your data out. So let me go ahead and enter these in. 709.8. Enter. And you know, you can actually use your keypad on your keyboard to do this as well, but sometimes mine's stick and I mess up. So it's actually quicker to do your number pad here on the right of your keyboard. Or if you just want to click them in, 781.5, 777.5 and 771. Okay. Now let's go to stat, calc, Winbar stats, enter. Notice that sigma is 28.4, sigma the base is 28.4217, the same thing that we got here. So our standard deviation should be 2 places, 28 0.42. Alright, what was our main here? Our main was X bar was 754.34, same thing here. So let's check our answer. Submit it. Oh, check box. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.